guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iddah, and this is my, let me put you guys here. This is my channel. So guys, I just woke up and I want to try and make this a vlog, like a quick one. So yeah, good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I haven't even washed my face, so I hope I'm only logged on my eyes. So I want to clean my house. I'm battling against time. Like, I'm supposed to be in school in the next 20 minutes. I want to make sure my house is clean. I want to, oh my god, let's go wash the more, and I have to do that. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Currently this is my view, and yeah. Lakini irudi kukoka Mombasa. Jua ishatoka sahi. Anyway, that's me. Show you guys, I had bought curtains. Yeah, so this is how they're looking. Let me just open. So this one is the 1.5, 1.5, and then this one for my door. I just thought near Kappa because yeah. So and they are so long, by the way. And then lastly, here apart from my balcony. Yeah. I think katika all curtains, this one, oh goodness, in the functional. I didn't want the like vumbi kufika kwa nini nitoje. So yeah, these are my curtains. To my kitchen, I need to clear this mess. Yeah, I need to wash that and